Hi, you're very welcome. And here in this first part of this blog post, I just want to show you how you'd actually just set up your data, so your basic data in Excel for your invoices. So you can see here I've marked an invoice, I've got my dates in it, I've got my invoice number, I've got a memo which is a bit about it, I've got the name of the customer, quantity, sales price, amount, and I've also thrown a bit there about the the actual payment status as well, because sometimes you just want to somebody say, okay, you can send me a payment status and so on. And if you notice here, it's set up in kind of a typical table format: type, date, number, memo, no blank rows, no blank columns, and so on. So that's just the first bit there, just on your table setup. Okay, and again, just as important that it's set up in this format if you want to do the thing which I'm planning to show you, which is the mail merge. Okay, now I'm just going to stop that for a second, and what we're going to do then is just look at what it looks like in Word. Okay, so here we are in Word, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to File, New, and I'm just going to search for invoice, or here's one I actually had, as they say, I prepared earlier, but if you just searched in here for invoice, you get loads and loads of free online templates. So I just click on my invoice here and click on Create. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just delete out a bit of some of the stuff here, things like invoice number and that kind of thing. The things basically that we're going to be changing. So I might just put down my company here. Let's say I call this the Excel Lady. You'd put in your one here if you want to. Anywhere, will. And I'm just going to delete that out as well, because that's where I'm going to put the two. And if I have ship address as well. And again, I'm just going to delete all this bit out here as well. Now, for various reasons, I'm not going to use this bit. So click on it and say delete table. Okay, I want to keep this as simple as possible for the time being. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be putting in my units, and I'm just going to delete out this bit as well. Okay, I want to keep it nice and simple for the time being. Now, once I've got this done, all right, the next step then is that we're going to look at how you actually combine the two of them together. So that's what we're just going to look at in the next video. I'm going to save this as invoice, and then we'll be good to go from in the next invoice. See you then, next video even. Take care, bye.